Hi, good afternoon. This is ABV from ABV EDC store. It's been a long time. So it's about 08/21 of 2025. It's around 2:50 in the afternoon. So we're gonna check some latest item that is ordered from us. It's the LUDT Tanto Edge Gen 3 Red Standard of the Microtech. The LUDT stands for Large Underwater Demolition Team. So let's check this out before shipping it out. This is in the red color. Of course, a authentic Microtech. There. Let's check it out. Lead centering. It is centered. Nice. So this is the blade. Let's check the blade. It is very smooth because it has a silica caged bearings instead of the conventional ceramic bearings, so it won't corrode. And the handle is made of aluminum handles, 6061 T6. Nice. With a 3M grippy tape, or some may call it the bathroom tape. Yeah. You see some details over his knife. Very nice looking knife. So yeah. Let's check then. Oh, by the way, when you operate this kind of knife, this is a OTS knife, out the side, you firmly grip it so it won't jump off from your hand. So let's check the recoil. It's very strong. So there you have it. Thank you, sir, for purchasing. This is your new Microtech Large Underwater Demolition Team in Tanto Edge with a two-tone blade finish. Very, very nice looking knife. Okay, that will be all, and thank you again.